Well, this is Unit 4D, Part 2. And here's our payment formula. Remember, we're doing installment loans. So if we have a principal of $3,200 and a rate of 17%, and we're making 12 payments a year, so N is 12 for 2 years. What's the size of the payment it's going to require to pay this thing off? And when we run the numbers through our formula, we come up with $158.22. Now for number 7, we want to make a purchase of a home, and we can choose between an adjustable rate mortgage, an ARM, or a fixed rate mortgage. And the adjustable rate guarantees us 4.8% interest for 1 year. The fixed rate is 6.5%, but that will never change. The adjustable rate could change over the coming years. Could go far above that, far above the 6.5%, you see. So but we're only concerned with the first year, and there's going to be 12 payments in that first year. And so the difference in the two rates is 1.7% when we find the difference. And if we divide that by 12, that will be our monthly interest rate difference. Monthly difference in interest rates. And if we multiply the principal times that, that will give us the monthly savings using the adjustable rate mortgage rate of 4.8% over the 6.5% rate for the fixed rate. So we've answered the question. Now let's go on to 8. And if you notice, you have a chart in 8, and we have to fill out this chart. And you can read the problem, but I'm going to go through the solution. And I've reproduced the chart and filled in the blanks also. But there's a trick here. Not really, but a nuance that you have to be aware of. First of all, the monthly rate is the annual rate divided by 12. So our rate, APR is 22%. We'll divide that by 12 and we get the monthly rate. Now, to find the interest, the value we're going to put in this position, first thing we do is multiply that rate, that monthly rate, times the balance in the line above. So 0.22 divided by 12, there's our monthly rate, times $630, that was our balance above, and we get $11.55. So that's the interest we're going to pay for that month. Now, that month we make a payment of $420, so our new balance is going to be the difference of the payment we made and the previous balance, and plus new expenses, new purchases, plus the interest we owe. And when we sum those, we get $751.55. Now we will repeat that process for month 2. And notice when we find the interest for month 2, we'll multiply 0.22 divided by 12 times the balance. In this case, 751.55, and then we'll find our difference in order to come up after we make a payment. And when we find that difference, we'll add it to our expenses and that interest that we computed, and that will be our new balance. And Hi, hold on a second. And then finally for 3, we'll go through the same process, and we're done.